Now let's cover one example on Hlookup with true, which is approximate match. So just go ahead and open this workbook, which is 0609 Hlookup approximate match. Have a look at the data. We have an income and we have a table where we have the range and the concerned tax rate. Just need to find out that in which range my income is falling and want to get that rate. So if we look at the income, that is 21566, that is falling in 2651 to 27300. So tax rate should be 28%. How we can do that? Using a formula that will be equals to Hlookup. Lookup value will be the income, comma, table array. Table array will be this complete range till the end. Freezing is not required because we are doing it in a single cell. If we would have to copy and paste it somewhere, we can use dollar signs, else we are good to go, comma, row index number. Now this is our first row, this is the second one, and this is the third one, and we want the results from the third row. So we'll type in 3, comma, range lookup will be true. So we can press tab, it will write true automatically, and we'll close down the bracket and enter. So there we go, it is 28%. If by any chance if I change the income, it will change the rate automatically. Let's say if I change it to 60,000, it will change it. So just let me undo it and we are done with this. I have a small exercise on this also, so just do that quickly and let's move forward for some more functions on lookup functionality. Thank you.